Good morning, children. To the page number 43, exercise 3.6. We have completed first Roman, second Roman now. Now write the third question, children. Find the smallest number which when added to 5 is exactly divisible by 12, 14 and 18. So you have to find the smallest number. Smallest number means what you should do? LCM. Okay. So what is given? Given numbers are, what are those? 12, 14 and 18. 12, 14 and 18. Now you should find the LCM. LCM of 12, 14 and 28. I am doing division method LCM. Which table you should take? Take two tables. 2, 6, 12, 2, 7, 14, 2, 14, 28. Next, 2, 3, 6, 2, 7, 14. Next, which table you should take? 7 table. 7, 1, 7, 1. Okay. Now find LCM. LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 7 into 3. 1, no need to write. Why? Because 1 into 1 only no. So, multiple 2 2 4, 4 7, 28. 28 into 3. 28 into 3, how much? 3 8, 24, 3 2 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, 84. So, 84 will get. Next, what is given here? Find the smallest number which when added to 5. Added to 5 means here added given. You have to do the reverse. Added means added, reverse is subtraction. So, therefore, the required number equal to 84 minus 5. 84 minus 5, how much is that? 79. Okay, right. Sorry, I am writing here wrong. Here 18 is there, but I am writing here 28. Okay, so can change this one to 9, 18. So which table you should take? 3 table. 3 2s, 7, 3 3s. Okay, so 2, 7, 3 all are primes. So you can give it. Now LCM. LCM equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 7 into 3. 2, 3, 6, 6, 2, 12, 12, 7, how much? 12, 7, 84 into 3. 3, 4, 12. 3, 8, 24 plus 1, 25. So 252. Okay, so the required number 252 minus 5. That means 247. Okay, come on, write. Before I wrote here 28, but it's not 28, 18. Okay, come on, write. Next, see the fourth question now. Find the greatest 3-digit number which when divided by 75, 45 and 60 leaves no remainder. Second one, the remainder 4 in each case. So you have to find the greatest 3-digit number. So what are the given numbers? Given numbers are 75, 45 and 60. 75, 45 and 60. So find the LCM. 75, 45, 60. Which table you should take? 5 table. So 5 ones 5. 2 is remaining. 5 5 is 25. Okay. 5 9s 45. 5 12s 60. Okay. Next, which table you should take? These three are divisible by 3 tables. 3 5, 3 3s, 3 4s. So 5 3 4. All are prime numbers only. You should leave it. So 4 is not a prime number, but these three numbers are not divisible by any number. So you should leave it. Now LCM. LCM is equal to 5 into 3 into 5 into 3 into 4. 5 3s 15, 15 5s 75, 75 into 3. 3 5s 15, 3 7s 21 plus 1 22 into 4. 4 5s 20, 4 2s 8 plus 2 10. 4 2s 8 plus 1 900. So what is the LCM? 900. This is the greatest 3-digit number. Okay. So greatest 3-digit number is 900. It leaves no remainder. This is the first one. Now second one. What is given second one? The remainder 4 in each case. So remainder 4 in each case means the required number equal to remainder means subtraction. Okay. So what is the opposite of subtraction is addition. So 900 plus 4. How much? 900 plus 4? 904. Okay. Right. See the next question, children. Two bells ring together. If the bell rings at every 3 minutes and 4 minutes respectively, at what interval of time will they ring together again? So two bells ring together. Okay. First bell rings at every 3 minutes and second bell rings at every 4 minutes. At what interval of time will they ring together again? You have to find it. Okay. How can you find, children? You can find the LCM. Okay. So what is given? Given first bell rings at every 3 minutes. Second bell rings at every 4 minutes. Okay, find the LCM. LCM of 3 and 4 is, so 3 and 4 is the two numbers divisible by any number, children? No, it is not divisible by any number. So what you can do? You can multiple those two numbers. So 3 and 4, what is that? LCM is 3 into 4 equal to 12. What is the LCM? 12. Okay. So therefore, the two bells ring together at 12 minutes. Okay. The two bells ring together at 12 minutes. Right. Next one is the relationship between HCF and LCM. What is the relationship between HCF and LCM? Right, next one, relationship between LCM and HCF. Relationship between LCM and HCF. What is that relationship? Product of LCM and HCF equal to product of two numbers. Okay, what is the relationship between LCM and HCF, children? Product of LCM and HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Okay, let us go one example, children. So you have to take any two numbers, 18 and 27. 18 and 27. Okay, so find the factors for 18, children. 2 into 3 into 3. 2, 3, 6, 6, 3 is 18. And 27, 3 into 3 into 3. 3, 3 is 9, 9, 3 is 27. Okay, now find the HCF. HCF is equal to, HCF means you have to write only common factors. What are the common factors here? 3, 3. So HCF is equal to 3 into 3, how much? 9. And LCM. What is the LCM? First write common factors and remaining factors. What are those? 2 into 3. 3, 3 is 9. 9, 2 is 18. 18, 3 is how much? 18, 3 is 54. Okay. Now you have to check relationship. Product of HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. So LCM into HCF. What is LCM? 54 into HCF. How much? 9. 54 into 9. How much, children? 9 4 36. 3 is remaining. 9 5 45. 45 plus 3 48. Okay. Now product of two numbers. That means you should multiply these two numbers. Product of two numbers is equal to 18 into 27. Do 18 into 27. 7 8 56. 7 1 7 plus 5 12. 2 8 16. 2 1 2 plus 1 3. 486. So both are equal or not, children? Both are equal. So first you should find HCF and LCM. So product of HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. This is the relationship between LCM and HCF. Okay, children? Come on, write. Exercise 3.7. Write the first question. Find the LCM and HCF of the following numbers and check their relationship. So first you should find the LCM and HCF, and also you should check the relationship also. Okay. What is the relationship? Product of LCM and HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So what is the given numbers? Given numbers are 15, 24. Okay. So first find the factors for 15 and 24. 15. What are the factors? 3 into 5. And 24. What are the factors? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. Okay. Now, find the HCF. HCF means you have to find the common factors. What are the common factors? 3 only. So HCF is 3. And LCM. LCM equal to common factors into remaining factors. What are the remaining factors? 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. Multiple all. 3 5 15, 15 to 30, 30 to 60, 60 to 120. Okay, now find the relationship product of LCM and HCF equal to product of two numbers. This is the relationship. Product of LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So LCM, what is LCM? How much? 120 into HCF, how much? 3. Equal to product of two numbers. What are those numbers? 15 into 24. So 300, 326, 313. 15 into 24, how much? 4 5 20, 4 1 4 plus 2 6, 2 5 10, 2 1 2 plus 1 3. So 15 into 24, how much? 360. Both are equal or not? Yes. So that is the relationship. Okay. Product of LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Come on, write. Can you do like that remaining two sums, children, homework? Remaining 3 sums are there, you can do homework. Same as it is like this only. Okay? Today homework is that one.